Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Mobile Days. I hope you are enjoying my previous videos. So today we will see 5 basic commands that will really help you to know your system much better. In this command I am going to show you like how you can easily check how many drivers you have installed in your system, and also your battery performance, like how much battery you use per day, battery utilization. You can check it from these commands. So just watch this video till the end, and at the end you will find something very interesting. So let's start. I've already noted here, you can see the 5 commands which we are going to perform today. So the first command I will show you, that is help column. Just make sure you have open command prompt as an admin. Let me show you how you can open it. Just type in the search cmd and just open it as an admin. The first command we will going to run is help color. So type help color, do enter. It will give you the color code you can use, by which you can change the text color of the command prompt. I just give you this command because sometimes you are bored of like black and white color of the command prompt. So through this command you can change the text color of your command prompt. So suppose you have to write color 01, so you can change the color code. If you want the green, so you can change it to green. You want to yellow, you can change it to yellow. It's interesting, right? So likewise you can change it, your text color, and you can perform ahead. For the next one we will go for drivers query. This is the very interesting part. Through this you will come to know the entire drivers you have in your system. Just make sure you have open command prompt as admin, and just I will copy paste, do copy, just paste. See, these are the drivers you have in the system. So I have in my system. So you can check it, like I have USB device, and every drivers, like from network adapter to CD-ROM, everything you will see over here. And if is something missed out, you can install it in your system. So all right, we will move for the next one. It is the AND operator. So this command will help you to open two applications together. If you want to run two processes, like if you want to perform ping operation, reset operation for the networking people, they can perform it, they can type it this one, so that they can get the results in at that page only. So I'm going to show you the example. Just I will copy it, and just make sure you have opened the command as the admin. Suppose I want to open the control panel and ms pen together, so I will type control and end operator and ms paint. Will hit enter. So here you can see the two tabs open at a time. So here you can see I have opened ms pen at a time and control panel at a time. So this is interesting, isn't it? So we will move forward. For the next one is powered battery report. This is the interesting one. You will, let me show you. Okay, just I have copied it. Just make sure you have opened your command prompt as the admin, because I'm just telling you again and again, because if you not open your command prompt as an admin, you can't able to see this operations, like you can't able to perform this operation, so it will show you the error. So just hit enter. It will give you the path through which you can see your battery performance. Just open the run, like this is the shortcut I have used. You can go my previous videos, and there I have uploaded my shortcut keys through which you can use it. So just copy the path, battery report, just open it. Okay, choose the wrong one. Make sure you have typed the name correctly. Okay, I just forget the HTML part. Control C, Control V. So hit enter. Here you can see your battery report. uh, install batteries. You can see the recent usage. You can see like 50% capacity remaining, source state, and also you can see battery usage history. You can see battery capacity history. You can see battery life estimates. You can see it is very interesting command, so through which you can know about your battery health, like your battery having proper health or not. So this is the best command I have seen in the Microsoft Windows. So we will move forward for the next one is the system info. It is also an interesting command. I am going to show you the two commands in itself, but it's going to give you the same output but in the different places. Like this command will give you the same output in the command prompt, and this command will give you the same output in the system information console. So just copy it. Make sure you have opened the command prompt as the admin. Just do press copy it and just paste it and just hit enter. Yeah, here you can see the details of your system, like which processor installed, and also 64-bit based PC, and also your physical memory you can see over here. So you can get the model number, everything, Intel 64. So through this command you can come to know about your system details. And let me show you the next one. Not next one, it is the similar kind, but it will open in the in the console, like in the interface. Just hit enter. Yeah, it is open in the system information interface. So here you can see it is also showing 64-bit based PC Aspire E5, and also it will show you the 8 GB physical memory installed. So likewise you can use it and you can get the information about your system much better. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you learned something interesting. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.